Join us on a mesmerizing road trip through the stunning Peak District, where nature's beauty unfolds at every turn. Watch as we cruise along winding country roads, past rolling green hills, charming stone villages, and breathtaking viewpoints, from peaceful valleys to dramatic rocky edges. This scenic drive captures the heart of one of the UK's most picturesque national parks. Whether you love road trips, nature, or just want to escape into a moment of tranquility, this video is the perfect way to experience the magic of the Peak District. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more scenic adventures.